Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Wilsons.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Miss Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I would like an increase in my financial support.
Okay. And your financial support or support for your children?
Support for the children.
Okay. Mr. Wilson, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it, okay? Do not address her. I'm talking to her. You will have your opportunity to speak, okay?
Yes,
Thank you. Go ahead.
As I was saying, I'm already receiving child support, yes,
Okay.
but I would like an increase for our children.
Okay, how many children do you all have?
2.
And how much are you receiving at this time?
$1,500 a month.
$1,500 a month, okay. And you believe that you're warranted an increase? Like, did he come into some money that you know about?
As a matter of fact, he did.
Okay, how do you know?
His secretary.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're diving into an intense courtroom showdown where Miss Wilson is asking for an increase in child support. With 2 kids and $1,500 per month already in play, things get heated fast. Mr. Wilson's secret income boost, a talkative secretary, and a judge who has zero tolerance for nonsense set the stage for drama, tension, and a verdict that could leave viewers speechless. Miss Wilson comes armed with receipts and insider info from Mr. Wilson's secretary, turning the courtroom into a battlefield of facts and financial revelations. Commentary emphasizes the tension as the judge cuts through distractions, highlighting that child support battles hinge on hard numbers and responsibilities, not personal grudges or secrets from past relationships.
Did she tell you something or did you ask her to look for you?
No, honestly, she just brought it to my attention.
Sounds like you need a new secretary. She's just telling your ex-wife all of your business?
I don't know what she's talking about.
It's his ex-lover.
Ex-lover, okay. We're not gonna get into all of that. That has nothing to do with this court.
Thank you.
Mr. Wilson, no, I don't need you to thank me, sir.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go. What is she talking about?
Well, I have an interest in an oil and gas, 2 oil and gas partnerships.
Okay.
But really, it's been a dud. We hadn't made any money until the last year we made some money.
What's some money?
I don't know how much the partnership made, but I received a $50,000.
Let me ask this question. When I ask a question, just answer it.
Yes, Your
I don't
Honor.
need all the extra.
Yes, Your Honor.
How much money are we talking about?
Well, the partnership itself made about $3 million.
$3 million?
But I received $50,000 distribution.
The drama intensifies as Mr. Wilson tries the classic, "I didn't receive it," defense for a $50,000 distribution from an oil and gas partnership. Commentary underscores how courts can deem funds as income even if they don't land directly in the bank account, showcasing the legal system's focus on accountability and the clever maneuvering parents sometimes attempt to minimize obligations. Judge Vanderbeek holds firm, explaining that IRS payments via the partnership still count as income for child support purposes. Commentary highlights how courtroom scrutiny can pierce through clever excuses, reinforcing that parental financial responsibilities aren't negotiable. Every detail matters, from gross to net calculations, making this a must-watch financial showdown.
I didn't receive $50,000. $50,000.
Did you come in my courtroom to play games? I'm really not here to play games with you.
No.
He does that a lot.
Your Honor, she's talking when I'm talking.
And I'll get to her in just a minute. Ma'am, I'll need you to save your comments until I return to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Wilson.
Yes.
Now you stop wasting my time. You received $50,000, correct?
No.
Okay, so tell me what's up with the $50,000?
Well, the partnership paid a debt of mine in the amount of $50,000.
Okay, so your partnership paid a debt of $50,000. What debt was that?
It was to the IRS.
Okay, all right. So you know that we could deem that as income, right? For purposes
Your
of
Honor.
calculating your child support.
But I didn't even receive, it didn't even touch my bank account.
It doesn't have to touch your bank account. And under Texas law, I could deem that $50,000 as income, although it's not income producing. What else? Where else you work?
Well, I'm an attorney.
Okay. What type of law do you practice?
Criminal law.
Criminal law. All right. How much money you make there?
Well, it ebbs and flows.
Well, answer the question.
Mr. Wilson claims to earn $83,000 as a criminal attorney, but documents reveal discrepancies. Commentary stresses that in court, your paperwork better match your words. The judge calculates net resources and establishes a clear baseline for child support. Viewers see how precision, documentation, and transparency are critical in legal financial disputes. Health insurance enters the spotlight. Mr. Wilson covers $161 for the kids, which is factored into total support. Commentary emphasizes that courts meticulously tally all contributions, ensuring children's needs come first. Every expense counts, and the judge's methodical approach shows the precision needed to calculate fair support. Mr. Wilson attempts to use Ms. Wilson's Instagram posts as evidence of frivolous spending. Commentary points out that personal lifestyle isn't relevant. Courts focus strictly on children's welfare and earned income. Judge Vondaby shuts down distractions, reinforcing that parental obligations outweigh personal grievances or assumptions about spending habits.
Let me look at some documents you turned in here. According to your documents, your tax return last year was $72,000. That's about accurate?
That sounds about right.
Okay, so let me tell you what we're getting ready to do. That $50,000, that was the distribution, right? That's your testimony, right?
That
Your
went to
tax
the
returns
IRS.
are correct, right?
Well,
They
Are your
are.
tax returns correct or they incorrect? Is it as simple
according to my
yes or no?
CPA.
According to your CPA. Okay,
I
so
didn't prepare them.
according to that, I have your off doing the gross from the $50,000. That brings your gross to $42,000, $4,200, excuse me. The net of that is $3,510.58. And then, according to your tax return, you make $72,000 in your business, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So that gross is $6,000, which brings that net to $4,779.38. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$161.
$161. Let me just make sure. Is that what you're looking at in front of you? Okay, I'm just making sure. I have your document here. $161. You're going to be responsible for reimbursing that to her.
Thank you.
Yes, so.
Well, you don't have to thank me. I didn't do you a favor. That's just what the law says. Okay? So, adding your two net resources together, I have $8,289.96. Reimbursement for the health insurance, prior to adding the reimbursement, it comes out to $2,072.50. Reimbursement of $161 gets you to $2,233.50 because your income did increase from the time that you all got a divorce.
Can I say something?
With income verified, the judge calculates the final child support amount, factoring in net resources and insurance reimbursement. Commentary emphasizes how even secret distributions and outside income affect obligations. This segment highlights the courtroom's efficiency in translating complex financial data into fair, enforceable support for the children. The verdict lands $2,233 per month. Commentary underscores the law's fairness, noting that personal drama doesn't influence the outcome. Mr. Wilson's shocked reaction shows that attempts to evade responsibility rarely succeed. This moment reinforces that courts prioritize children's welfare above all, setting a precedent for accountability in financial obligations. This case had it all: secret incomes, financial calculations, and Instagram arguments. Commentary closes the story, highlighting the importance of honesty and responsibility in child support cases. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video for another jaw-dropping courtroom breakdown that will leave you speechless.
On her Instagram, that she goes on a lot of trips. I just think this extra
That-
money just
no.
gonna go to these trips. I really don't think it's gonna go
Look,
to
wait,
anything
wait,
related.
wait.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
You need to stop it.
Excuse me,
I can
both
show
of
you
you
the
need to
Instagram.
stop it. Both
It's
of you need
Instagram,
to
it's
stop
fake.
it. Excuse me. When I talk, the two of you be quiet. Now I see why y'all got a divorce. Y'all cannot get along.
No, we
But
got
listen to
divorced 'cause
this.
he cheated.
No, let me tell you about
cheated.
this. I don't care if he cheated. I do not care about her Instagram. All I care about is the money that you've made to make sure that your children are taken care of. According to the documents that your CPA produced, your income went up, therefore, your children are entitled to an increase. So, final child support amount, $2,233.50. Is there anything further from either of you?
No, ma'am, that'd be great.
Thank you. Anything further, Mr. Wilson?
I guess not, Your Honor.
Well, I guess you all are dismissed.